dear student, here exercise 7.4 optional exercise. It's the question 8. ABCD is a rectangle formed by joining the points A minus 1 comma minus 1, B minus 1 comma 4, C 5 comma 4, and D 5 comma minus 1. P, Q, R, and S are the midpoints of AB, BC, QB, and DA respectively. Is the quadrilateral PQRS a square, a rectangle, or a rhombus? Justify your answer. So, my dear student, on the screen you can see we are given A, B, C, D. These are the 4 vertices of a rectangle. And beside this, P is a midpoint of AB, Q is a midpoint of BC, R is a midpoint of CD, and S is a midpoint of D. That's why, first of all, we need to find the vertices of P first. What are the vertices of P? Coordinates of P. So we need to mention here coordinates of P point first. So how to find that is -1 plus -1 divided by 2 -1 plus 4 divided by 2. It will be -3 by 2 comma 3 by 2. Is it okay? So I need to say that is not -3, sorry, here -1 is -2 by 2. So it will become -1. So the coordinate of P point will be -1, 3 by 2. Got it? So I need to mention -1, 3 by 2 here. Now same way, I need to work out for the coordinates of Q points. So let's do that. For Q, -1 plus 5 divide by 2. 4 plus 4 divide by 2. My dear student, -1 plus 5 is 4, you know. 4 divided by 2, and this is 8 divided by 2. The simplification of this is coming 2 comma 4. So coordinate of point 2, that is 2 comma 4. I need to mention this is 2 comma 4. What about coordinates of, let's check. So the coordinates of point Q, then I am working upon R now. So how to move with that? Very simple. 5 plus 5 divide by 2. 4 minus 1. 4 plus and bracket -1, so it will be minus. So the simplification 10 by 2, that is 5, and this will come 3 by 2. So simple, I should say the coordinate of point R, that will be 5, 3 by 2. Now the last coordinate of S. So let's go with that also. Coordinates of S point. So my dear student, find the coordinate of S. 5 plus -1. So divided by 2. -1 minus -1. So it will be, after simplification, it will be 4 by 2. 4 by 2, of course, it is 2. 1 minus 1, that is 0. So -1, this is actually -1. -1 is -2. -2 divided by 2, that is -1. So the coordinate of point S, that is 2 comma -1. So finally, successfully, we got the coordinates of its a midpoint, that is midpoint of AB, midpoint of BC, midpoint of CD, and of course the midpoint of AD. Now we need to apply distance formula one by one to find the distance between P to Q, Q to R, S to R, and P to S. By finding the distance of all four sides, we can say which type of quadrilateral it can be. So let's work out upon that now. So my dear student, here we are going to apply distance formula to find the PQ. Length of a PQ, it will be under root of this minus this, or you can say 2 minus 1. So it will be plus 1, and 4 minus 3 by 2 whole square. Got it? So the simplification, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 square will be 9, and 4 2 ja 8. 8 minus 3, that is 5 by 2. 8 minus 3, that is 5 by 2, and it's a square. It will be 25 by 4. Okay, we need to work out for this also. 9 4 ja 36. So under root of 36 plus 25 divide by 4. So my dear student, the sum is coming 61 divided by 4. This is the distance from P to Q. Same procedure we are going to apply to find the distance from Q to R. That is QR equal to, let's work out QR for that. 2 minus 5 whole square, 4 minus 3 by 2 whole square. Got it? So under root of 2 minus 5 is minus 3. Now for this we need to take LCM. 2 4 ja 8 minus 3, so it will be 5 by 2 whole square. So dear student, minus 3 square is plus 9, and the 5 square 25, 2 square is 4. Again take the LCM. 9 4 ja 36 plus 25 divided by 4. So the answer of this is QR is also coming 61 divided by 4. So my dear student, one thing is clear. The first side, that is PQ, under root 61 by 4. The value of QR, another side, that is also coming under root 61 by 4. But let's work out on SR now. So my dear student, here now we are finding SR. Okay, distance between S to, I need to write SR equal to under root of SR. So it will be 5 minus 2 whole square. Okay, plus 3 by 2 minus 1. So it will become plus 1. So dear student, here under root of 5 minus 2, you know it is 3 square. And at taking LCM from here, 2 1 ja 2, 3 plus 2, that is 5 by 2 whole square. So the simplification again here, 9, this is 25 by 4. After gaining the 9 4 ja 36 plus 25, that is again coming the same. The value of SR is also coming same as PQ and QR. But one more thing we need to find, that is S2. Let's work out and find PS or S2, same thing, whatever you want to go with that. PS, okay, suppose I am going with PS, then we need to write 2 minus 1. So it will be plus 1. Minus 1 minus 3 by 2 whole square. So my dear student, this is 2 plus 1, 3 square, and this side minus 5 by 2 whole square. The square of negative number is also positive, so it will be 25 by 4. Again take the LCM, so it will be 36 plus 25 divided by 4. So dear student, that is under root of 61 by 4. Okay, so the value of PS is also coming under root 61 by 4. All four sides are equal. But dear student, that is not enough, because all four sides are equal. Then we can have one conclusion. We can come to the conclusion Either the PQRS can be a square or a rhombus. But how to justify from square and rhombus? For that, we need to find diagonal also. So let's work out on the diagonal of the PQRS. Which are the two diagonals of PQRS? You know very well. They are PR and SQ. So first we need to find now diagonals. So my dear student, now let's work out on the diagonal. As we know that here PR is the diagonal, it is also compulsory to find its a value. So its a value will be -1 -5 whole square plus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 whole square. So my dear student, here it will be -1 -5 is -6 and this is 0 square. -6 square is 36 plus 0. So my dear student, under root 36 its a value is 6. Under root 36 it means 6. So the PR value of PR, that is 6. Okay. Similarly, we need to find the value of SQ first. Let's work out upon that. What is the value of SQ? Let's see. So value of SQ will be 2 minus 2 whole square. 4 minus minus 1, that is plus 1. So my dear student, here 2 minus 2 is a 0. 4 plus 1, that is 5 square. That is under root of 25. So the value of SQ under root 25, that is coming 5. So one conclusion is there, the value of this PR and SQ not equal to 0. Okay. So let's come to the final conclusion. That is, we can say PR is a value not equal to SQ. Reason behind that, PR equal to 6 and SQ equal to 5 means diagonals not equal, but all sides are equal. Therefore, let's work out on the last statement. We need to mention final answer. Since AB equal to BC, not AB, BC, sorry, PQ equal to QR equal to SR equal to SP. Sides are equal, but the diagonals, they are not equal. Therefore, we can say that PQRS is a rhombus. Is it clear? Therefore, the PQRS is a rhombus. This is a complete solution of question number 8 of exercise 7.4.